Lesson 2.4. Every sentence must have a subject and a verb. If one of these is missing, it's not a sentence. This is what's called a sentence fragment. Here are some examples. My brother and I took the long way home, laughing and joking the whole way. So if we analyze these, do they have any prepositional phrases? They don't. So let's look at the first one. My brother and I took the long way home. Who did what? Well, my brother and I is the who, and so this whole thing can be considered the subject, all the way to my brother and I. What did we do? We took. So that's the verb. The second part, second sentence, laughing and joking the whole way. Well, I see a verb, laughing, I see a verb, joking, but does this sentence have the subject, the information on who's laughing and joking? No, that's all the way back here in the previous sentence. So this is not a sentence. It's a sentence fragment. Here's another example. After we eat dinner. Now, is there a who did what here? Yes, we eat, right? However, it starts with a preposition. So, again, if we start by analyzing our prepositional phrases, we can see, oh, this is a prepositional phrase. It's not a sentence. And we'll get into independent clauses sometime in the future. Give you a little more information about that. Finally, this big long one. Yesterday, at a private meeting during the Global Economic Summit, President Donald Trump and Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. There's a lot of stuff there, a lot of things, right? A private meeting, the Global Economic Summit, President Donald Trump, Justin Trudeau. There's a lot of who's there, but is anyone doing anything? Well, again, if we start with the prepositional phrases, at what, at a private meeting, during is a preposition, so during what, during the Global Economic Summit. So that narrows it down a little bit. So we've got a who, Donald Trump and Justin Trudeau, but did what? That question's not answered. So there is no subject and verb. This is not a sentence.